Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. So this is assignment number 8 key of 10th class. The topic is non-finite classes. Non-finite classes. We know very well classes are of two types, main class and second one subordinating classes, right? But here non-finite classes. A class generally contains a subject and predicate part. But a part or a phrase which doesn't contain proper structure of sentence verb, simply we can call it non-finite clause. There may be verb but syntax is missing in that part. So that is non-finite clause. Underline the non-finite clauses in the following sentences. Right? See, born in London, he became the citizen of India. Children, observe here. He, subject, became, verb, the citizen of India. Other words, right? Means subject and verb, predicate part is there. But here, born in London, so born verb. But here subject is missing. So this one, it is called non-finite clause. Born in London, he became the citizen of India. So this is non-finite clause. Now, let us see second one. Having done his homework, he went out to play. See here, he, subject, went out to play. So this is predicate part, right? Subject and predicate. So this is sentence, it gives complete meaning. But here what happened? Let us observe this part. When we observe this part, having done, having plus V3, but subject is not there. So in this part, having done his homework. So this is non-finite clause. Okay. Third one, recognized by his boss, he got an appreciation letter. So this one, he subject, got an appreciation letter, predicate part, right? What about this one? Just observe this part. Here subject is missing, recognized by his boss. So this is non-finite clause. Next, fourth one, encouraged by his father, Ravi got distinction in his final examination. So Ravi, subject, got distinction in his final examination. So this is predicate part. It is full sentence, clause, it gives complete meaning. Then what about this encouraged by his father? So this is non-finite clause. It gives partial meaning, right? Not complete meaning, partial meaning, non-finite clause. Next, let us see fifth one. With the tree grown tall, we get more shade. We, subject, get more shade. So predicate part. This is full sentence. A clause, it gives complete meaning. Then what about this part? With the tree grown tall. So here subject is missing and complete meaning is missing. So it is non-finite clause. Sixth one. We left the room and went home to search for food. Children, so this one, we, subject, left the room. So this is predicate part. And went home. Went home, we went home, right? Verb part. So here, to search for books, so this is non-finite clause. In this non-finite clause, 2 plus infinitive is included. Okay. Next, seventh one. Do we have the money to buy that car? Do we have the money? If we observe this part, right? So this is interrogative statement and it fulfills the needy parts for a sentence, right? Required parts for a sentence. Auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, object. Here, to buy that car. So this to buy that car is non-finite clause. 2 plus infinitive. Now let us see eighth one. Eighth one. We were not able to get away until now. We, subject, were not able, so this is predicate part. to get away until now, right? This is non-finite clause, to plus infinitive, to get, to infinitive. Ninth one, having read the book, I returned it to the library. Right, children? So here, I subject, okay? So this I subject, returned it to the library, this is predicate part. But observe this one, having read, having plus V3. In this part, subject is missing and meaning also partial, right? So this is non-finite clause. 10th one, jumping on his horse, the farmer rode to the market. So children, the farmer subject, rode to the market, predicate part. It is so clause, it gives complete meaning. Then what about this one? Jumping on his horse. Who jumped on the horse? The farmer jumped on his horse. But subject here, farmer is missing. So jumping on his horse. Here, present participle is used. Okay, right? So this is non-finite clause. So children, in this way we can identify non-finite clauses. Thank you. All the best.